Hello, everyone, and welcome back. You're listening to The Deep Dive, helping you with learning English.
Hi there. Really glad to be here and ready to jump into another conversation.
Great. So today we're doing a deep dive called Learning English Through Situational Conversations. Pajama party sleepovers are the best.
Sounds fun. And our mission, well, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. We want to help you understand English as it's really spoken, when friends are just chatting and making
Right.
plans.
We've got this short dialogue between two friends, Alex and Ella. They're talking about having a sleepover.
Mm-hmm. And listening to them will give you a good feel for natural, everyday English.
Definitely. Pay attention to the words they use and how they sort of bounce ideas off each other.
Okay, let's give it a listen, or rather, let's be Alex and Ella.
Let's do it.
Sleepovers are always so much fun.
Yeah, I love staying up late and talking all night.
Do you remember the last time we had one?
Of course. We played board games and made popcorn.
And we watched that scary movie.
Ugh, I couldn't sleep after that. It was really creepy.
Let's plan another one soon, maybe this weekend.
Good idea. We can invite everyone and order pizza.
Can we also do a pillow fight again?
Sure, that was the best part last time.
I'll bring my sleeping bag and snacks.
Great. I'll bring some games and my speaker for music.
It's gonna be so exciting.
I can't wait. Sleepovers really bring everyone together.
Okay, wow, you can really feel their excitement, right? Planning something fun.
Totally. It's a very upbeat little chat.
Right. So now let's slow it down a bit. We should probably break down some of the key words and phrases they used.
Good idea. Where should we start? Maybe with the main topic.
Yeah, the word sleepover itself. Ella kicks things off saying, sleepovers are always so much fun. So what exactly is a sleepover?
Well, a sleepover is pretty much when you or like a group of friends stay the night at someone else's house. It's informal, you know.
Right, not like staying in a hotel. It's about hanging out with friends.
Exactly. You might play games, watch movies, eat snacks, just talk all night sometimes.
Like Alex said. So that phrase Ella used, sleepovers are always so much fun, that's a great way to just express enjoyment about something.
Definitely. Let's have our listeners try it. Sleepovers are always so much fun.
Okay, cool. Now, Alex mentioned the movie they watched was creepy. He said it was really creepy. What does creepy mean here?
Um, Creepy describes something that makes you feel uneasy, a bit scared, maybe a little weirded out.
Yeah, like something is just not right. It gives you the chills, perhaps.
Exactly. It's not full-blown terror usually, but it's definitely an unpleasant, slightly fearful feeling. Like that scary movie clearly made Alex feel.
Makes sense. So try saying that one. It was really creepy.
It was really creepy.
All right, next up, Ella asks about a pillow fight. Can we also do a pillow fight again? What on earth is a pillow fight?
Uh-huh. Well, it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's a playful fight where you just hit each other with pillows.
Gently, hopefully.
Yes. Usually gently. It's all supposed to be in good fun, not actual fighting. It's like a classic sleepover thing, often ends in laughter.
Right. So that phrase, can we also do a pillow fight again?
Let's repeat that. Can we also do a pillow fight again?
And Alex loved the idea. He said, sure, that was the best part last time. That was the best part. That clearly shows maximum enjoyment.
Oh, yeah, that was the best part. Try saying that one, too. It's useful when talking about highlights.
Okay. Then Ella mentions bringing her sleeping bag. I'll bring my sleeping bag and snacks. What's a sleeping bag?
A sleeping bag is basically like a portable bed. It's a padded bag you zip yourself into to keep warm when you're sleeping somewhere without a normal bed.
Like camping, or in this case, a sleepover on the floor, maybe.
Exactly. Keeps you cozy. So, sleeping bag.
Let's say it. Sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag.
Good. And Alex mentioned something else they did last time. We played board games and made popcorn. Let's quickly touch on board games.
Sure. Board games are, well, games played on a board. You usually have pieces you move around according to rules. Think of like chess, checkers, Monopoly.
Great. Games that bring people around a table.
Yeah, they're great for groups.
Yeah.
So, board games.
Try that. board games.
Okay, so we've covered sleepover, creepy, pillow fight, sleeping bag, and board game. Some really useful vocabulary there for talking about this kind of social event.
Definitely. Now let's maybe look at the phrases they used for, like, making the actual plans.
Good idea. Ella suggested it pretty casually, didn't she?
Yeah, she said, let's plan another one soon. Maybe this weekend. That first part, let's plan another one soon. That's a nice, friendly way to propose something.
It is. Very common. Let's repeat it. Like, plan another one soon.
And then adding the specific suggestion, maybe this weekend.
Yeah, it keeps it open. Maybe this weekend.
And Alex's response was super simple, just good idea.
Can't get much clearer than that. It's a perfect, quick agreement.
Totally. Say it. Good idea.
Good idea. And then he added, we can invite everyone, which shows he's enthusiastic and thinking ahead.
Right. We can invite everyone. Try that one. We can invite everyone.
So those are great for planning. What about just expressing enjoyment? We heard a few.
Yeah, we already mentioned Ella's so much fun. From sleepovers are always so much fun. Just focusing on that feeling, so much fun.
Repeat. So much fun. And Alex said, I love staying up late and talking all night. That clearly states something he enjoys about sleepovers.
Right. Let's focus on the first part. I love staying up late.
Say that. I love staying up late.
And we already heard his enthusiasm for the pillow fight. That was the best part last time.
A really strong way to show enjoyment. That was the best part.
Let's say it again. That was the best part.
So you see, lots of simple but effective phrases for making plans and just sharing how you feel about them.
Absolutely. Okay, maybe we should repeat some of the most useful sentences from the dialogue one more time, slowly, so people can really catch them.
Let's do it. How about starting with suggesting the plan?
Okay. Let's plan another one soon. Again. Let's plan another one soon.
And suggesting a time.
Maybe this weekend. Repeat that. Maybe this weekend.
And how to agree simply.
Good idea. One more time. Good idea.
And suggesting who to include.
We can invite everyone. Say it. We can invite everyone.
Expressing excitement for the event.
It's going to be so exciting. Again, it's going to be so exciting.
And that final nice thought Alex had.
Yes. Sleepovers really bring everyone together. Let's say it together. Sleepovers really bring everyone together.
Practicing these out loud really does help. It makes them stick in your mind and feel more natural to use.
Couldn't agree more. So just to recap this deep dive, we listened to a fun, simple conversation about planning a sleepover.
Yep, and we pulled out some key vocabulary like sleepover, creepy, pillow fight, sleeping bag, and board game.
And we also looked at useful phrases for, suggesting plans, agreeing, and just talking about having a good time with friends.
We really hope this breakdown was helpful for your English learning journey.
Definitely. And now, something for you, our listeners, to think about. What are some of your favorite things to do when you get together with friends? What makes it really fun for you?
Yeah, maybe try using some of the phrases we practiced today when you think about it, or even tell someone about it.
And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive and want more like it to help you learn English in a practical way,
please do subscribe, maybe give us a like. It helps others find us too, and we've got plenty more conversations and tips planned.
thanks so much for tuning in to the deep dive.
We'll catch you in the next one.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.